Hi, this is Eric Smith with Prairie Golf Cars. I'm normally back in the service department back there overseeing what goes in the shop. And I thought today we'd cover about what goes into the Yamaha 4-year limited factory warranty. So before we do that, check out this video from Yamaha, kind of telling you some stuff about the Yamaha Drive2.
The best golf car just got better. Introducing Yamaha's all-new Drive2 lineup. Improved styling and ride across the board. All Drive2 cars still feature the most interior space in the industry, and now an even bigger automotive-style dash than before. The all-new Drive2. Another reason Yamaha is the easy choice.
So the Yamaha 4-year warranty. It would be nice if everything was bumper to bumper and you didn't have to think about it, but there are, some things that are covered longer than others. So first, let's talk about what's covered for 4 years. First thing that's covered are your clutches. The primary clutch and the secondary clutch are covered in the Yamaha warranty. The engine and all things that touch it. So the intake part of the engine, your carburetor, airbox holder, the exhaust, so your intake, your muffler, starter generator is covered in that 4-year warranty. The rear end and transaxle are covered in that 4-year warranty. And also what's covered in that warranty are your wheel brakes. So everything that makes you stop, covered in that 4-year warranty. And the nice thing is on the Drive2 with its new smooth suspension, the half shafts in the back that give the car a lot of its nice ride, again, are covered under that 4-year transaxle part of the warranty. So now let's talk about what's covered for 3 years. The frame is covered for 3 years. Your accelerator and brake pedal are covered for 3 years. All the wiring, so your key switches, main wiring harnesses, relays, solenoids, 3-year coverage on that. And your bag carrier is covered for 3 years. So bag strap, bag buckles, what have you back there. All things keep the golf bag well attached. So let's get down to what's covered for 2 years. What's covered in 2 years for the factory warranty is the seating, so your seat bottom and your seat back, the floor mat, scorecard holder, and in our opinion, most importantly, are your headlight assemblies and your taillight assemblies, again, covered under the 2-year section of the warranty. What's covered for 1 year? What's covered for 1 year is the battery on the gas models, and then of course anything that's not mentioned is covered for 1 year under the factory warranty. So again, on the gas cars, the battery is covered for 1 year. Now we really don't see many problems with the Yamahas at all. Again, very low warranty return rate on these cars. But let's say you're not happy with the Yamaha factory warranty and you want an extended warranty on a car. Well, the first option available to you is the Yamaloop Advantage warranty. So in that warranty, after you buy the car, you just hop on to yamaloopadvantage.com, register your car, and they're going to give you a 20-year or 5,000-hour engine warranty on the car. So what do you have to do to maintain that 20-year warranty? Have the oil changed once a year in that engine with Yamaloop 10W30 oil. That's it, and keep a record of it. So keep a folder, service your car once a year, throw your receipt in there. You're good for 20 years on an engine. Also, from a dealership side of things, we offer an extended parts and labor plan for the car. So you have your golf cart serviced once a year. For the first 5 years, we're going to give you a warranty outside of that. So bring your cart in, have it serviced at the normal winter service rates, and then if that car breaks at any point during the rest of the year, again, your parts and shop labor are covered under that. And we're going to extend that to 5 years. So that does give you a 5-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Again, you take care of the cart, we take care of you. Also, on top of that, if you take care of the cart by having it serviced once a year, we're going to give you 50% trade-in credit on that car. So at the end of 5 years, if you want to go ahead and trade it in on a brand new cart, you're going to get 50% of what you spent on that car back as a trade-in. And again, that's 50% of what you paid for the golf car. So I think that's pretty huge. We just believe in the Yamaha cart. We sell a lot of them. Just a pretty problem-free cart, and we just don't see a lot. So check out this last video from Yamaha. give you some more pointers on the golf car. And we got several of them out there to choose from, a lot of different colors. So stop in at Prairieland Golf Cars.
The best golf car just got better. Introducing QuietTech, part of Yamaha's all-new Drive2 lineup. QuietTech combines the quietness of electric with the profitability and dependability of gas. When combined with the very first independent rear suspension ever found on a golf car, it truly changes the game when a quiet, smooth ride and profit all matter. QuietTech, another reason why Yamaha is the easy choice.